Hi, how are you, everyone, teachers? So today we are going to talk about the general science that we are teaching to grade 4, 5 students and further. Uh, so here I will be talking as we talked earlier on other subjects, the teaching methodology for science. Science is also same like social studies. It is a science, but it is a natural science. So the difference between social and natural science is that the laws, regulations, and the principles I'm sorry, are fixed and not changeable compared to the social sciences where the laws and the principles are changeable depending upon the conditions and environment. So the both are mostly same, but as here the principal laws are fixed, you cannot change. You cannot change it. So, but again, related to the real real life, real world, we need to work on it. And until now, if we go to schools, we see just context learning from the book, from the textbook, the same way. Teachers are describing a theme, a topic, and just talking, just ask a question, writing down, writing on the whiteboard, and the children, they are noting it down on their registers. But that's it. And this way, we are just going to forward. It should be shifted to again to student-centered approach where students are participatory. You have to shift it to, and the student has to explore the context, the knowledge, knowledge to know to reasoning can do they can do the reasoning. They explore the context. For example, about a cell, if there is a cell, so they have to explore that cell by themselves instead of a teacher just facilitate, just guide them, and then apply that in the real life, where exactly those things happens in real life, what we are learning in the textbook, and then we connect that one to our society, to our environment, to and currently linked to the technology. If those things are missing, so I'm sorry, we are just memorizing the context, the material, the knowledge of science, and later on we will forget it, but we will not be called as a natural scientist. So actual learning is a major role in actual learning. In actual learning happens when the students who uses the student-centered approach. So there are few things are which are associated with the actual learning. One is collaborative learning and cooperative learning. Both are same. The students, they are work together in a group, and they work on a goal, on a situation, on a task, on a common goal, and they come for a solution. But in cooperative learning, each an individual student is assessed. So we check each and individual student, so what he or she brought uh, to that common goal. But in the collaborative learning, we use just a group, where the group arrived, achieved in achieving that goal. And as well in the actual learning, problem-based and experiential learning. In problem-based, as you know, the word problem is used. So in the students are giving us a scenario, a problem, and then they work to on that one and find a solution for that one. And experiential learning, where the students work actually on their experiences, in the current experiences what they have, and then they discover, create, and interact with the roundabout around them what they are. So that is called experiential learning. it means if we if you can say it in the at university level, if a student is learning some things and the same concept, he or she goes to that place where that learning occurs, that learning is applicable. So in that place the students get some experiential learning, where he or she gets the experience of that thing, of that theme or topic. So that actual learning must be there in the when you are teaching science subjects, general science subjects. Here the same way, like in other subjects, pair and group discussions, whether 2 by 2 or there are 3, 4, 5 students, they are grouped together, and they are giving a task and discussion, and they are discussing, and they are bringing questions, and they are bringing some solution for a problem. Questioning techniques, it's a very good to ask question, but most important again, uh, uh, we should have made our children to that level that they are coming with great questions, and yeah, even a simple questions, even questions which are so funny or so not to that extent, but that will make them to think, use their own logic, and not from only the front 2, 3, 4 students, from every student, every single student in the classroom. Whole class instructions, same like lecture method. In the social studies we are doing whole class instruction. The teacher can give an instruction on the new topic, and then further it gives to the students to work on that one. But again, it should be a limited and should be planned, well planned, or with the aim to achieve how to get participation of the students in that whole class instruction. Debates, it's a good way to debate. Like for example, there is a yes, even in social studies you can do it, debate. So on a topic against and in for, they can come on many in many different way. They can present their debates. Role play is a great way uh, to use the role play teaching methodology. And group work and presentation, a teacher has given a group work, and then later on either one of the students or the whole group, they come on the in front of the classroom or in the assembly, and they present their science presentation. So in this way, the students will be engaged, active. They will be active, and when they are active in learning the science, and that knowledge or the understanding will be permanent in their mind. And for example, if a student who has interest in that, for example, in the whole sciences or a part of the sciences, so that student will be actually scientist in future. Uh, but unfortunately, it doesn't happen. So that was about science. We will come to the English and general knowledge in next 2 videos, and later on I will be coming towards few other videos. We will come on assessment as well, and few other videos about which is my expertise, the career counseling, where even our highly educated people, even teachers, even the head of the institutes, they are unaware of those things. So soon, inshallah, I will come on that, and it is we can even start it from the primary level. Thank you very much.